I'm Dirk Burrowes with Classic Drive Television. Again, we're at Amelia Island, another unbelievable car. I'm here with Ed Diedick with the Muscle Car Museum in Melbourne, Florida.
American Muscle Car Museum.
American Muscle Car Museum. Okay, we're going to actually visit there real soon. But a super cool Corvette. I mean, like nothing we've seen before. Tell us about it, Ed.
This is a very unique and rare piece in a 1966 Corvette. This was ordered brand new by Dirk Burrowes. He wanted to have a little fun with autocrossing. Realized he wasn't that great of a driver. Got his friend Bob Johnson to drive it, and they souped it up and they got it SCCA ready for 1967. They had 8 first-class A production wins on this. Actually got a motor from Don Yanko after they blew the first motor. That motor made it clear into the Daytona Runoffs, which was the SCCA National Championships, and they finished 7 with the blown head gasket. They were doing gate speeds at 170 miles an hour. This car was ordered brand new with a 425 horse, but with the Don Yanko motor, it pushing 600 horsepower.
600 horsepower.
And the rarity of the car, it was ordered in black with the saddle interior and a radio delete car. This car has been restored by Kevin Mackay in 1999 as raced history in 1967. Some of the really unique parts about this is Gibby and Zorro Duntov got together and they were developing the L88 projects. Yeah. So in 1968 and 1969, they got Dirk Burrowes an L88 in 68 and 69 to race.
Wow.
So we feel very proud to be able to own this car. We keep it serviced every year. To have it out at Amelia is just an incredible experience. We placed today. We got to go up and meet the judges and have a little turn through the grandstand there. So feel very fortunate to be able to share this car with the world.
Well, you know, it is special, and you know, you're telling me before we started here that this is the restoration from 1999.
This is the restoration from 1999. We're going to bring in Kevin Mackay here for just a second.
Cool.
We're going to do that.
Hey, Kev, great to meet you, man. So you did this?
Well, me and my team did a big part of it, for sure. But we did a car about 20 years ago, back in 1998 and 99, and we reunited with Bob Johnson and Dirk Burrowes, and the rest is history.
So this is dead on then, isn't it?
This is dead on how it was raced in 1967 at the Daytona Runoffs.
Wow. And what's it got for, what's the power plant now? Is it still the Yanko block?
The motor has actually been redone. They had planned on doing vintage racing with it, but after it was restored, they decided not to do that. But it is ready to go at any time.
Oh, there you go. Terrific. So, have you done a lot of cars like this?
Yes, I've been in business for 34 years. I have a restoration shop up in Long Island, New York, called Corvette Repair Incorporated in Valley Street.
Very cool.
We do a lot of these.
These special cars, these special cars.
We also found Dirk Burrowes' 68 L88 as well as a 69 L88 car as well.
So you're able to get continuity there.
It's kind of neat.
The car you see behind you, this is one of Kevin's restoration right here in the Penske Camaro.
Wow. So you've got it down then. You've really got it down,
we have a
man.
little practice. We have, like I said, it's only good as your team.
Well, there you go.
We've been very fortunate.
Well, you know, a little secret. Hey, maybe we can hear this, start this baby up.
I think we could do that. Are you ready to do that?
Want to start this up? Yeah, we want to start this up, guys. Let's do it.
Lawrence convertible. That sure doesn't look like a VW. Gallagher Restorations in Landrum, South Carolina. Romich, a German coach builder founded in 1924. A custom-bodied VW. Thank you from the Gallagher Restoration Company in Landrum, South Carolina.
That's awesome.
Is that what you had in mind?
That's what we had in mind. So start your engines. We're at Amelia Island 2019. Thanks for joining us. We got so much more coming up. I'm Dirk Burrowes. Thanks.